Hi, my name is Kayla Trina. I'm going to be talking about chemical exposures in breast cancer. Has anyone ever has been with someone during breast cancer, experienced it, or know of someone or has feared of it? Awesome. So that's a lot of people. So with more people experiencing it and watching others experiencing it, you can obviously see that the breast cancer rates are going up. But the reason for the increase of breast cancer rates are the chemical exposure rates, which brings me to one thing, which is the 1976 Toxic Substance Act. The Toxic Substance Act pretty much hasn't been updated in 38 years. Within 38 years, we've gotten so many things. You've have Tamagotchis, iPhones, DSs, and an advancement in cars as well, which brings me to car exhaust. Car exhaust is one of the most efficient ways, the better ways to attract breast cancer, because of course everyone's driving around, going from one place to another, picking up their children, driving to work, driving home. You're always exposed to the car exhaust in the air. With that, you're also getting the dry cleaning fluids and the byproduct of water disinfectants. With this, you're just increasing your chances along with genetic mutation. With the byproducts, water disinfectants, it sounds pretty far away and not like, oh, that's part of my life. But it really is, because you're drinking bottled water, tap water, water from your refrigerators that you have through the little box thing, through ice, through pretty much anything. And then also with the dry cleaning fluids, you're bringing your clothes there, you're also doing your laundry at home, and all those chemicals will go into your clothing, which can seep through your skin, be inhaled, or go through your bloodstream if you have a cut or an open wound. Another reason would be fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers, as safe as they can be, they can also be hazardous. With the hazards, it can increase your rates because of all the chemicals in it. So you're putting out a fire, but you're also increasing your breast cancer risk, which is kind of like being between a rock and a hard place. The reason this is because the money that we have for toxic substances it's not being funded, therefore it's not really being examined. So about 90% of everything you drink, wear, interact with are being examined, but that last 10% can include hazardous chemicals, include bleach, which can be in your Whopper, or it can be in your ice cream cone. You can also have hydrogen peroxide, but like obviously small doses of it within your clothing, your hair, your glasses, your pens, which can also be hazardous. So those things all put together can really increase your breast cancer rate. And also with all this, one in 8 women every year are just contract breast cancer. As low as that sounds, everyone knows somebody. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is the number. You're getting breast cancer. Sorry. Oopsies. And also 1 in 1,000 men. Obviously, I'm not going to count to 1,000 because that'd make this presentation really long, and no one wants to sit through that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, skip a few 1,000. Number 1,000, you're getting breast cancer. I'm sorry. And while time goes on, these rates increase. With these increasing rates, breast cancer has become the second highest behind skin cancer in women. So you're tanning, and then you're also being around cars. That's like pretty bad. And then you're also behind lung cancer is the second most diagnosed in women. So it's lung cancer, then breast cancer, which is kind of bad because car exhaust also aids lung cancer. So no matter what you're doing, you're pretty much increasing your risks. But you can decrease your risks through just avoiding certain things. Obviously, you can't completely lower it to 0, but decreasing it from 5% to 4.5% is better than just being straight up 5%. So thank you for being with me today, and yeah, I hope you learned stuff. Yay! I gave up.